Today is the day we gave this thing a bath. It's been a solid month and a half, I would say, and it's just god awful dirty. Look at that brake dust. It's just been getting dailied. Not really much love for the outside has been done at all. I mean, it's like, it's pretty dirty. So yeah, that's what's going to be happening today. Just going to run a few errands, come back, give this thing a proper bath, show it some love. Do find myself looking for any excuse to drive this car. I love it. Not a bad thing to be here when your car's not broken down, but when it is for when it's broken down, oh man, this is the last place you want to see. Time to get this thing cleaned up. there you have it. Hit it with the spray wax. It's looking good. Not bad for a 30-year-old paint job. Yep, peace out.